We're going to start our discussion with smart manufacturing, industrial networks, and cybersecurity. Although smart manufacturing has been discussed for years, the demand for data from factory floor systems is today more critical than ever to enable real-time decision-making, increase visibility into the manufacturing operation, and the ability to close gaps in our data silos. Our clients want to unlock the power of data from their plant floor systems to expand their capabilities, which include analytics. They also want to improve efficiency and increase profitability. Larger data-driven initiatives call for the creation of connected environments with internal and external support models such as remote access. It is important for manufacturers to have reliable, secure networks to support these requirements. Let's hear more about the key trends that we're currently seeing and how this has changed over the past year.
I see two big trends right now. The first trend is remote connectivity is out the window. It's just to the moon. We've got people that can't fly, or we have people that are trying to save cost on travel, whatever it may be, that they're flexing the infrastructure to get remote connectivity for service technicians, for engineers, for you name it, into their environment, into their manufacturing environment. That uptick has stressed the manufacturing infrastructure, not only from a throughput, a bandwidth, but also from a security standpoint. So the big trend right now, one of the big trends is about getting remote connectivity into it. The second trend that we've seen is security, hardening up the infrastructure that they have now. They're starting to do we're doing some audits on security side of things, and there's no protocols in place to address security, to document what happens when they get a security threat. So you have kind of the best of both worlds, where you need this remote connectivity into your plant to get your support, but you want it to be secure. So I would say, let's start with the past 5 years. Connectivity. The trend is getting connected. No longer do you have really disparate systems. You move away from the physical, hardwired interlock systems that are communicating to now the more open platform, where you want to segment these systems logically. And that's using virtual LANs so that you protect your network and things of that nature. So that was 5 years ago, and it's been moving to more and more connectivity these days now. Today, the big trend is you want that remote support. Not only does it save money on expenses and travel, you get instant gratification. If you have a network, a wireless network, the headsets that are out that have the camera lens on it, we use those actively all the time, whether we use them communicating with people overseas, in another country, another state. We can get on a real-time web meeting with that client and show them exactly what we're looking at, but we couldn't do that years ago. The technology for that glassware wasn't there, and the infrastructure wasn't there at the time. So as both have matured over the last 5 years, you're seeing the fruits of that labor, where that you can get secure vendor and OEM and engineering support into your plant, and now you have video technology that you can see real time in your plant. So that's some of the greatest trends right now.